Hey guys, Czar here checking in with you. It is 12:59 almost. 1 minute left in this candle. Notice the upper wick, top wicks rejection style, even though it's kind of in the range of a bigger candle in front of it. I'm seeing this as an opportunity for a sell. This be a trend continuation trade with a zone break kind of feel to it as well, aspect to it, if you will. Here we go. On the new candle, 1 minute and 23 seconds left. Two-minute chart on the right-hand side. Thirty seconds left. Prefer if this didn't push down, but it looks like it might want to. I mean, yet. I don't want it to push down yet. Obviously, I want to afterwards. 10 seconds. Just checking my own platform here. Good. I want it to rally from here in a perfect world. Recognizing that the world is not in fact perfect. All right, live order, guys. Sell stop. Ready to go. And triggered in, guys. Triggered in. I'm short the Dow here. It's 1 o'clock. 1:01 to be precise. Kind of the end of the first part of the twilight zone, that 12 to 1 lunch hour, if you will, in the New York area. Eastern Standard Time Zone. European markets closed an hour and a half ago. So it's essentially just North America and a few international players now running this whole thing. Driving down. My ultimate target is 159. It's a long way to go. $34,159, of course. I'm going to put you on pause for now and I will bring you back. Pause now. All right, just kind of meandering a little bit here for now. But a very important aspect of this, guys, is the break on the daily. This is big. Big engulfing candle now on the daily. Engulfing 1, 2, 3, 4 days in full. Big reversal candle here. That's meaningful. pushing down here a little bit. Put you on pause. There's the three sisters, by the way. All right, so it's 118 now. Call it 119. Driving down into this range over here on the 30-minute chart. Handily broken the low again of yesterday, day before, and many, many other days, of course. New low now. Hasn't traded this low on the Dow since July 11th. And back on pause. And driving down now. The three sisters are all in agreement at this point. You can see them here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. NASDAQ, S&P, and of course the Dow here on the far right. Very much in sync now. Trying desperately to get to target 1, which is 1R. We'll see if we can get there. And pause. New 30-minute candle is about to start in 35 seconds. See what happens there. Seconds. Generally speaking, these candles will put in a bottom wick, in which case we should get some upward movement here, but we never know. Market can do whatever it wants. 5 seconds. New candle has begun. That was funny. Dropped right from 5 to 0 in heartbeat on TradingView. Sometimes that happens. I'm not sure why. All right, back on pause. And there's that pushing up that I referred to. The upper wick here on the 30-minute candle. See the new candle there? So that is a top wick if it flips back blue again. This could be the bottom of the move, given that we are at support. See where the support goes. Why don't we take a look at that on the full size so we can see, wow, way back to here. All right, so this goes back to July 11th. That's what we see on the daily there. Of course, I knew that because I just took a look at that. All right, here we go. Right here, July 11th goes back to there. And that's what happens when we look at it, of course, on the 30-minute charts. We see all these days in there. So there's the move up. This will make traders nervous. Any traders who are in this position who came very close to say, let's say 1R, all or nothing, didn't take anything off the table, which is probably a smart move for most traders to not take anything off at this level. I shouldn't say that as a carte blanche statement, but for most of the time it's true. But this creates a emotional dilemma for them, right? Seeing this rallying move all of a sudden. But if we understand it in the context of a top wick on a 30-minute candle before potentially flipping and driving down, that's a different story altogether. Being able to sit through that, that's the hard part. Pause. Trying to drive back down. We'll see if this candle can flip. There's that upper wick I mentioned. It's quite a big one though. We'll see if we can flip blue again. Alright guys, finally tapped target 1R. But this trade has been a real grind. I've changed over to the 3-minute chart to get more information in here because it was kind of going off the screen. But I've been in this trade since 1 p.m. It is now 2:36. You can see that this has been a real sloppy mess, but finally we're moving down here now. And so here's how we stand. Those traders who are trading with a 1R all or nothing have now exited the trade with their entire position in full profit mode. Trading prices moving down now, finally. Model 2 trader has taken off 2 units at target 1. Model 3 has taken off 3 units, and Model 4 has taken off 1 unit at target 1 and looking to take off some more here at target 2 if in fact we get there. In terms of moving your stop to break even, stop loss management, some traders may move stop to break even once they hit target 1, which of course has happened. Others may leave it where it is with no changes. Others may move to target levels, having broken those. And then there's also the notion of trailing a stop to pivot levels. And so that this could be considered a pivot level here, and some would even consider this a pivot level here. So bringing a stop all the way down to right about there, if you can see that there. I don't personally see that as pivot level, but I know traders that do. Let's take a look at the big picture. Breaking the zone now here on the 30-minute chart, which is nice to see. And of course that daily now hitting just recently, a few seconds ago, hit a new low for the move. Hasn't traded this low again since July 11th. Back on pause for now. All right. This is a very long trade, guys. You can see here, lots of time has passed since the last time I took you off pause. Entered this trade at 1 p.m. It is now 3:36. We're coming into the close here in the next 22 minutes. 3:38 actually. And we will see, but kind of driving down here again. Almost came back to the entry point here. So just a very long kind of grinding trade. Let's take a look at the three sisters. You can see here now what I've done here is expanded this. So this is the volume weighted average price here, the VWAP. Up here, this is a 2.5 standard deviations below. Let me show you. If I squeezed it so you see the whole thing, then we're really got some scrunched up price action. You can see how grinding this has been for all three sisters. Just a super tight range on the EMAs here. So kind of stuck in this trade because of the way that I'm monitoring trades or measuring trades now. I don't have much of a choice. The video is over if my original stop gets hit or my third target gets hit, and nothing in between. I'll also close it at the close of regular trading hours, which is in 20 minutes now, 21 minutes. Just to put an end to the video, but this is no matter what, worst case, this is a 1R winner, as you can see here. In one moment. It's a 1R winner because the 1R all or nothing trader was able to profit fully on this one. Of course, they took the full position. Model 2 trader took off 2 units at target 1, pardon me. Model 3 took off 3 units, and Model 4 took off 1 unit. So all 4 model traders have benefited. The Model 1 trader was gone a long time ago. They left the trade at 2:36. And of course, anybody who moved their stop to break even is still in the trade. And we'll keep watching this. Pause. All right, happy to announce that target 2 has been hit 1.5R. Had to wait a long time for this, but we're there. Pause. So again, just to explain for newer viewers, the Model 1 trader, if they were a 1R target 2 all or nothing trader, in other words, a 1.5R all or nothing, they would take their entire position here off and be done with the trade. If they're a 1R all or none, they would have been done a long time ago. The Model 2 trader has scaled out 2 units at target 1 and 2 more units at target 2. The Model 3 trader took off 3 units at target 1, 2 units at target 2. They're still holding on to 1 unit. And the Model 4 trader scaled out 1 unit at target 1, 2 units at target 2, and they're holding on to 3. So 50% of their position. We're using a 6-unit standardized position. And any number of combinations of ways to manage the stop loss, no matter what model you have, whether you move you leave your stop in place or you trail it to break even at certain levels, assuming a certain level has been reached, or trading to target levels. And an example of this would be, now that we've hit target 2, some traders may take their stop all the way down to target 1 to lock in a sure 1R win no matter what. Worst case scenario. Get the idea. And I'll put you back on pause for now. It's 3:47 p.m. At 3:50, an algo kicks in. Market on close orders and some various rebalancing, which should cause a little bit of a flurry here. But maybe we can get out with one more push here. Looking for 140 points on the Dow. This is a big move. One more push. Can we do it? I think we can. All 3 sisters are selling off here at the same time. Let me show it to you. I don't know if you could tell that because it was very, very scrunchy chart. And we're done, guys. Target 2, 140 points in the Dow. Target 3, pardon me, 2R, 140 points. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for your patience with this trade. I had a lot of patience too, of course, being on pause most of the time. I'll try to cut out some of the dead air through here. Thanks again. Have an amazing night. We'll talk to you soon.